It's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics, and we are here to show you our bright leaf camo. It is a full meter wide, and it is full color, and it is pretty bright. Obviously, with that name, it is. Sorry, getting some air bubbles out. It kind of has a similarity to our ghost camo, if you're familiar with that. The background is just kind of a ghosty background. It's a blurred background, not really in focus. But the foreground here is pretty dang vivid. It's pretty high definition, and it also has a lot of color going on. We're gonna dip this to a white speed shape. This probably, well, you'll see what it looks like on white. But if we had the time, I probably would have done it on a medium tan or maybe a biscuit as well, but we just didn't have time to spray a speed shape. Cut my piece a little large there, but that's okay because I got a lot of air bubbles. That really doesn't look that bad on white. It's just gonna, a biscuit or a medium tan, dark tan, it would just tone down the white background there. So give it a little bit more realistic look, but that white just kind of gives it a misty, foggy background look, which is fine too. That's very high definition. That's a great pattern. That will obviously be in the camo section. That's at KansasHydrographics.com. All of our newest releases are always on our homepage. So you can always find the latest and greatest there. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have about 3,000 subscribers already, so that just helps keep you up to date. A lot of people like that because you'll get a notification every single week when we release a new video, because we do release one every single week. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next week.